If you're interested in seeing how I make this creamy and delicious strawberry cheesecake, please stay tuned to the video. So here I'm just going to start by making the cheesecake biscuit base. So here I just added 2 tablespoons of sugar to 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. And I'm just mixing everything together nicely. Next, I'll add in 7 tablespoons of melted butter. And I'm gonna mix this in nicely till it gets to a wet sand-like texture. As you can see, this is the texture and consistency that I'm looking for. So yours should look something similar to this. So next you're going to get your baking tin and you're going to pour your graham cracker crust in and you're going to mold it to the shape of your baking tin or your baking dish. So this is what it looks like after I've molded to the shape of my baking tin. So I'm just going to put this in the oven for it to bake on 325 degrees for 10 minutes. So next we're going to get started on our cheesecake filling. So here I have 910 grams of cream cheese that has been softened to room temperature, and I'm just going to cream this cream cheese out to a nice soft and creamy consistency. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of white sugar to my creamed out cream cheese. Next, I'll be adding 1/8 teaspoon of salt. So don't forget, you guys, to scrape down the sides and the bottom of your bowl for any cream cheese that might be stuck to it. So next I will be adding in 4 eggs, 1 at a time, to the cream cheese batter. Next, I'm adding in 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And also 2/3 cups of room temperature sour cream. So this is what your cheesecake filling should look like, you guys. It should be smooth and creamy and not lumpy. So now I'm going to pour my cream cheese filling into my pre-baked biscuit base. So I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it for the first 20 minutes on 350 degrees. Then I'll reduce the heat to 300 degrees and bake it for another 40 minutes. So next I'll be making my homemade strawberry topping. So to the pot, I'm adding 2 cups of strawberries, a 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And 1.5 tablespoons of water. So next you're going to steam this for 5 to 10 minutes or until the sauce thickens up. So here I'm adding some more fresh strawberry just to give it a nice little texture once the sauce has cooled down. So now here is my creamy cheesecake. It has been chilling in the fridge for about 6 hours along with the topping. The topping has also been in the fridge for about a couple of hours as well. So I'm just gonna be topping off my cheesecake with the homemade strawberry topping. And I must tell you guys, this cheesecake was so creamy and delicious. It only lasted in my house 24 hours. Everyone went back for second and thirds, and I'm telling you, it was so good. No joke, 24 hours. It was all gone. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.